All right, so we're going to learn how to withdraw money from your cash value benefit from your life insurance policy. If you have signed up for a whole life insurance policy with Mutual Trust, we've discussed that you have three benefits. One is your death benefit, the second one is your term rider, and the third one is your cash value policy. Your cash value is an accumulation savings account there where every month when you pay your premium, a portion of that is removed and put into a savings account. It's called your cash value, and that grows at 4% every year, and that stays there. And if you need it, it's liquid. You can go and withdraw that money and have it deposited into your regular banking account, the one that's attached to your policy, and then you can use it for whatever you need. There's no explanation needed, and you can repay it at your pace and how much you want to and how fast you want to. So, of course, you do want to keep accumulating there. So you don't want that money sitting on your regular bank account. You want that money to be replaced back into your whole life policy cash value column. And so today I'm going to teach you how to withdraw. The next video is going to be how to deposit. If this video is not so long, I'll teach you how to deposit back the money. But let's go. So again, you can withdraw at any moment. It takes 3 to 5 business days to get it deposited into your bank account, and you repay it as fast as and how much you want to pay back at any time. If you were to not use your cash value, you'd be using a loan from a bank or you'd be using a credit card. They determine how much you pay back, how much they're going to charge you back, and how often you pay back, right? So they have control over how you use that money and how you repay them. When you use your cash value benefit, you determine. That's why it's called your family bank, because you become your own bank and you determine how often you want to pay back, how much you want to pay back. If you need to skip a month, if you can pay back more, you can. There's no penalty and there's no charge because you borrowed from your own money. So you're not paying interest on a bank's loan. Okay, so that's the beauty of having a cash value policy, because you become your own bank. So let's go. We're going to go onto your internet browser, and in there, you're going to look for Mutual Trust. That's the company that you have, Mutual Trust. Let's see if I can type it properly, mutualtrust.com. When you get in there, if you have not yet learned how to log in, watch the other video and you'll find out. But today we're going to go to log in, and I already have that saved in here, so it's going to be easy for me to do so. Once you go in there, you're not going to go onto View My Policy, but you're going to go onto Customer Service. So you're going to click on Customer Service, and then you're going to click on Available Forms. And that's where you're going to download the form for the loan request. So it's a loan against your cash value policy. You're going to download that form. Once you download, you're going to fill out just a few items. Number one is your policy number. So I'm just going to write down any number here. I'm not going to give you my policy number. And then you're going to put the name of the insured. In my case, it's Anna Farrell. And then you're going to click on a couple of specific places, okay? So you want to click first on this first block over here. This first block determines that you're going to take an exact amount of money. You want to remember that you cannot clear out your complete cash value, because then you would be closing the account. So let's say you want to borrow no more than 90% of what's there, okay? And then it says right there, if available, if not, maximum loan will be processed. So if you don't have the amount of money in there, then they will send you the max loan that you can take without closing the policy. And then you're going to click also on electronically deposit this money onto my bank account. Let me pull that over here. Electronically deposit this onto the bank account that is attached to my premium policy. And I'm going to type in the number of my account here so you can have that. Oops, it just appeared. Here you go. Okay, so you have that there so far. So again, you're going to type in your policy number, your name, the first block, and you tell them how much you want to withdraw. There's no penalty, there's no fee. So the exact amount that you put on that first line is the amount that's going to show up on your bank account. And you click on electronically deposit to account on file utilized for premium payments. So the account that is attached to your premium is the one that they're going to deposit the money on. Okay, then you're going to put your telephone number over here. just in case they have any problems or questions. It's 980. Okay, and then you're going to type in your email, and then let's make it smaller so it fits properly on that line, right? Okay, and then you're going to put in the date. Okay, and then you're going to put the policy owner's name. So in our case is Ray Farrell. And then the policy owner's signature. So if you have DocuSign, if you have anything, any of those things that provide you a signature, you can have a signature there, and then you have it done. Once you have that done, you're going to save this document on your phone. So I'm going to just take a screenshot, and then I'm going to create an email. So then I'm going to go on to my email, and then I'm going to send this to, and I save this on my phone so I have the email address on file. This is the email address that you want to send it to, policypayments@mutualtrust.com. Okay, so what I do is I go over here, I copy that, and I go back to my email, and I put it right there, policy payments, and then I go ahead and attach that file to my email address, to my email. Okay, and so that document is there, and I just say over here, please see attached request, loan request, I should say, loan request. And then you can put in here loan request, and you can put your policy number to make it easy for them, policy number, and then you put number there. Okay, and then what I would also do is I would also add this sentence to your email. This sentence has always been very helpful to make sure that they understand deposit to account on file. Why do I do that? Just to make sure that they read that properly and they're not trying to figure out where to send it. This just expedites the process, and they will totally deposit that on the account that I want them to, which is the account that I already have on file. Please see attached loan request, and I put in there, please direct deposit to account on file. This is it, and then I click on send. I'm not going to click on there because I'm not going to send that to them, but then you can just send that email. So this completes the process. So what happens is you receive, oops, let me just flip this over. You receive an email confirming that they received that, and in 3 to 5 business days, the money is in your bank account, and that's how you borrow money from your cash value policy. Let me just show you real quick how to repay that, because it's an easy process and it's so it's very accessible. So again, you're going to be on your mutual trust. Where is the mutual trust here, huh? I guess you went away. Okay, so you're going to be onto mutual trust website, and you're going to be, I think I already am there. Yeah. Okay, so now you're going to be onto customer service. And you have already cleared out the policy form, and right there, some people like to do the loan repayment slip. So you can do it by paper, which would be this case. You click on here and you fill out that form, but you can also just go ahead and make a payment. And that is the easiest way to do so. When you click on view my policy, up at the very, very top, you have make a payment. And when you click in here, you can go ahead, it's going to send somewhere else, and you can click on submit. And when you fill this form here, you'll be directed to the area where you designate exactly how much you want to pay. So it pays to your policy. You can choose the bank account that you want to put it in there for. So you fill out the bank account. Then you're going to choose additional payment details. Over here is where you're going to show where you want to put the money. And because you made a loan, you can click on loan repayment here, and you can actually put the amount that you want to pay. And then when you click on special instructions, you can actually tell them regarding loan made on such and such date. Okay, so you can just put all of those details right here. Once you click continue, it's going to take you to the next page that's going to just confirm that you've made that payment. I'm not going to make a payment right now, so you can see that's where it's at. So again, you're going to go right to policy information. And let me just go over view my policies where you make a payment. So view my policies online payment, or if you want to make it by paper, you're going to go to customer service, and then you're going to go to forms, and then you're going to go to loan repayment slip, which some people like to do that by paper. So hopefully this helps you understand how to take your money out of your policy and then put it back on your policy. I hope these videos are super helpful. Let me know what you want to know, and we will keep on sending these to you. Have a great day. Bye.